The project talks about designing single atom nanofiber material and its chemical properties and material property investigation for advanced application. Hi, this is Professor Saikat Dutta from Amity Institute of Electrochemistry Research and Studies in Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Noida campus. You are here in the Electrochemical Energy and Sensor Research Laboratory of AICCRS Amity University. Today I am going to talk about our project that was awarded in 2023 by ANRF. When this project was written and submitted from our laboratory, the idea was to design single atom material and install them in nanofibrous architecture so that we can explore their electrochemical properties for certain advanced application. It was kept very general at that time to focus on the structural features of atomic nanofiber. This is something very interesting which were not explored before, the way we designed this research problem under this project. So I must thank ANRF for approving this project and let us to explore the properties of single atom nanofiber under this grant. And also we had an instrument grant to procure an instrument which is a high current electrochemical workstation of Origolase that was set in this lab, and that built a class of research that we were able to perform under ANRF grant. So it was a generous support from ANRF with which we started this project, and after spending 2 years in this project, we are able to achieve a few milestones. For example, we were able to achieve a series of single atom nanofiber materials, and those are mostly used for sodium ion coin cell design and its performance analysis. So the focus was kept on developing sodium ion battery coin cell using single atom nanofiber. Mostly we've used hard carbon and then installed single atom into hard carbon and then made the nanofibers material out of it. One of my scholars under this project has worked in zinc oxygen battery using nanofibers material, dual atomic materials. So the focus is on to reveal the electronics of single atoms, isolated atoms in a nanofibrous architecture. And then we went on to do an extensive analysis, characterizations of this material, and this includes application in electrochemical cells, application for H-cell analysis, and then again coming back to the sodium ion battery and its mechanistic analysis. So the societal impact that involves with these projects are huge, because we have expanded the scope of these projects in various applications. For example, sodium ion battery, H-cell, fuel cell, urea electrooxidation. So these all fields are very much connected with the societal impacts. Along with that, I must also thank Amity University for providing us very high level infrastructure in terms of setting up a lab. With the support of ANRF and with the support of Amity University's management, I am able to set up Electrochemical Energy and Sensor Research Laboratory, where under the ANRF grant we have installed a high current electrochemical workstation of Origolase, which is performing very well, and because of this setup we are able to explore a lot of features of this single atom nanofiber material and able to build a new field under the ANRF grant, which is called single atom nanofiber. So this is some kind of exploratory research which is done first time under this project, and that is the reason why ANRF has funded this project. And with this, I would like to say that there are a lot of new stuff coming in from Electrochemical Energy and Sensor Research Laboratory. So I would request to stay tuned with our laboratory for further interesting results and lot of achievements. Thank you.